What is DNA and how does it work? Every living thing has DNA, even some plants, animals, bacteria, and even viruses, which has once considered non-living. But most importantly, us humans have DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Although every living thing has DNA, its very compositions to differentiate you from the others. The interesting fact is that humans' DNA is 99% the same. Therefore, it is only 1% of DNA that make us unique. So now the questions arise. Why the living things has DNA? And what is it important in it? And what does it do? DNA has a recipe for synthesizing proteins. DNA synthesizes RNA or the ribonucleic acid by a process called transcription. This is further translated into proteins by a process termed as translation. The explanation of DNA conversion into RNA and finally RNA into proteins is called central dogma. DNA contains hereditary information that is passed on to you. If you and your father have the same color of eyes, or your hair as silky as your mother, it is because of DNA you inherited from your parents. Even many diseases can pass on from generation to generation to generation. Now let's talk about the structure of DNA. Think about the structure of DNA is like a ladder, whose rungs are made of different bases and sides as sugar phosphate. Each composition of this nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphate group is called nucleotide. The nitrogenous bases are of 4 different types: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Adenine always binds with thymine, cytosine with guanine. This type of bonding is called hydrogen bonding. Phosphate and sugar are linked together to make a backbone, and complementary bases are attached to it. Due to the band angle of the sugar-phosphate molecules, the link will eventually form into a double helix structure. And that's all for now. Bye!